Hi everybody, I'm Joe with JoeLarge.com. I love BattleBots. I love to watch it with my grandson, and I love how they fight and they get thrown around. The announcers do a great job of getting energy into it. And they came out with another recently. They just came out with another show called Robot Wars, and I was tickled. Oh, well, that'd be even more BattleBot type show. So I watched it, and where BattleBot is one bot against another, Robot Wars had a whole bunch of, there were four robots at the same time. There were host robots in the corner that would attack if you got too close. They had a fire pit. They had a pit that dropped down. They had all this stuff going on. And they lost me. There was too much, there were too many things going on. Where BattleBots was one robot against the other, Robot Wars was about a lot of things. And what happened was is so many things were going on, I couldn't keep track of everything. It's not because I'm old either. I couldn't keep track of everything. I got either confused with the arc of the story or it just got to be too confusing. So I didn't like it very well. And that's something you need to remember on your own marketing. I do a lot of mechanical and electrical contractors. So electrical and mechanical contractors need to stay focused on message. You may do other projects. You may be focused in on laboratory stuff, and you may do air conditioning for some other company or whatever, but you need to stay focused in on your message. If you get too many things going, you just cause confusion and you lose your message. So in conclusion, be BattleBots, not Robot Wars. Keep your message on point. Stay focused. Maybe one or two messages, but no more than that. And I think you'll find out that over the long period of time, you'll do a lot better with visitors and conversions. So thanks for watching. And BattleBots, not Robot Wars.